Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to COBOL, where we will learn how we can utilize multiply statement with COBOL program. Prior to this session, we have already discussed various other topics like addition, add statement, subtract statement, right? So this session is in the continuation of the same, where we will explore that concept of multiply statement. Okay, by its name itself it is clear that yes, we are going to perform the multiplication operation, but what is the syntax, how we can write the code, what is the best practice to use it, and what are the advantage of using. Even we will also discuss what might be the situation or the scenarios where we are supposed to utilize this multiply statement. Okay, so I'll start from the basic, like I'll just walk you through the code, then I'll explain you the requirement, and then we'll see the output. But before we start, I would like to recommend you to go and check out the previously released sessions first, because these all sessions are already these all sessions or playlists are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be really very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic. Okay, so yeah, I think now we are good to start with the code. So here you can see we have one program, test pgm67. I'll just take this program in edit mode and walk you through this. So here what we are doing, first of all, like we are declaring the program identification division block, which is just to show you the program related identity related information. So here, like this is a mandatory, I would say, for like it's a best practice to keep everything within this identification division block, which is related to your program ID identity. Okay, so now what we can do, like you can see here in product identification division block, we have uh, first keyword is program ID, which is denoting the program name. So you can see test pgm names, test pgm67 is the name of the program. Okay, then we have author, which is denoting the author name, like who is the person who has created this program. Okay, so here you can see it is showing it as a author name as Tech Sharmit. Fine. Now, just after this, what we are doing, we are declaring the comment line. So, in to declare the comment line, what we are supposed to do, firstly, place your cursor on the very first position, and from there you can count till 7. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On 7th position, we will place the asterisk, which after that whatever you will write here will be considered as a comment line. Okay, so this is the 1 line, 2 line, and 3 line. These 3 lines are a comment line. Okay, and this time we are not showing it in a white color. This is just a normal text I'm showing, because I'm sure that you are also getting the color in the same default color, comments in the default color, right? Fine. Now, just after the commit line, what is the purpose of using commit line? Just to show you the topic name, okay? Even it is always recommended, like whenever you are writing a code for a project or for a test purpose, always make sure to put required comments. It will give you a clarity of the code. It will give proper description to other developers who want to refer your code, okay? Fine. Now, after that, from line number 9, we have initiated the data division blocks. So in this data division block, we have working storage section. So working storage section is denoting like it's an area where we declare all the variables. So you can see here line number 12 and 13. Here we are specifying the level number as 0, 1. Profit 1 is a variable name. So level number 01 means higher data hierarchy. It is showing higher data hierarchy. Then we have profit 1, which is denoting the variable name and data name. Then we have PIC. PIC means picture clause 9 of 4, numeric 4 digits. So it can hold up to 4-digit numeric value. Then we have value clause. Let's say I want to show it as 5. So why we are using value clause? This is an optional clause. Yes, this is an optional clause, but uh, when you this is an optional class, but when you want to initialize the value at the time of variable declaration, then you can specify this value. Okay, so profit 1 value is 5 and profit 2 value is 4. Got it? Fine. Now below to this, what we have procedure division. In procedure division, uh, like we have declared two variables, right? For the second one we have initialized the value with 4, and for the first one we have initialized the value with 5. Now we have procedure division, which we are using in order to print the, or which we are using to write the main logic. So here we will keep the entire main logic of our source program. So I'm using display command. So display profit1 value before any modification appended with the profit1 variable. Okay, so what this line will do, it will print this message like profit1 value before any modification and then the actual value of profit1. So far we have not added any modification, it means we have not changed anything in it. Okay, so it will print the actual value. Then we are printing the profit2 value in the same way, like profit2 value before any modification is profit2 multiply. Okay, so what these two line will do, it will show the actual value before the modification. Then line number 20 is used to perform the modification. So you can see multiply profit1 by profit2. So what it will do, like for example, here we have stored 5 and 4. So it will multiply 5 with 4. Okay, and whatever output we are receiving after it will be stored into this profit2 variable. Why? Because we are not using any other variable to store the result. That I will show you in the upcoming session, like how to store the output in separate variable. But for time being, we are not using it. Then that's why it is directly coming in this second variable, you can say profit2 variable. Okay. So yeah, I think now we are pretty much good with these the syntax. The main thing is syntax, because we know that multiplication process is something that we all know how multiplication work, how the things work, right? But the main thing is syntax. What is the way to write the code? That is very important. Okay, and once your requirement is clear, once your syntax part is clear, then you can easily utilize it whenever it is needed. Okay, fine. So after that we are just printing the actual output. So multiplication result is printed by display command. So display profit2, and then we are terminating the program. So let's see what output we are getting from it. I just saved it using file. So what file will do, it will save and exit the program. Then you can simply compile it and call it. Once you call your program, you will see the profit1 value before any modification is 005. Okay, 0005. Then enter. Profit2 value before any modification is 0004. Then again enter, and this time it is showing the multiplication result, which is 5 into 4, and output is 20. Those extra zeros are coming because we have declared the 4-digit value, so it is automatically adding extra zeros in the beginning. Okay, so this is how this multiplication part works. Now I'll just show you one more thing. Let's say if there is a requirement where we don't want to use this profit1. Okay, instead of this I want to multiply it with some other number, let's say 10. So I can directly specify it here, and after specifying it, you can simply compile to see the output. I just compile the code, and now I'm calling it. So after calling, first value it is printing as 5, because we have not removed the display line, right? So that's why it is printing first value as 5, second value is 4, and then the output is coming as 40. Why? Because I think we have specified 4 there, I guess. No, we have provide 10. So 10 into profit2 value is 4, so 10 into 4 is 40, and we are getting the correct output. Likewise, if you want to multiply it with profit1, so you can change it to profit1. It is up to you. Just go and change it to profit1, and then it will give you the output of profit1. So let's print here the result as profit1. Now you can simply compile your code and call it 5, 4, 50. So this is what we were expecting, right? So we have two ways. Okay, let me show you it here. Okay, let me paste it after this. Oh, sorry, we are using double C, that's why it is not doing. Okay, so we have these two methods. Okay, one is where we are directly let me paste it here, and here we can put profit2. Clear? And profit2 with profit1. So let me show you the output. Like now, what is the output? So we have covered both scenarios, right? So profit1 5, 4, output is 50 first, and then 200. Why? Because now the values changed for the first one. Okay, so yeah, this is how we can utilize the multiply statement with COBOL. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.